hello there guys and girls. Good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Hi! You know what? I'm some kind of a tense and I'm just being, oh my gosh, I couldn't say that I couldn't say that much. Sorry. What should I gotta say? I have lots of surprises for you guys and girls, and even I myself being surprised for what my channel being happening right now. On my Facebook, I've got lots of views, especially the shorts. Oh my gosh. And also on my YouTube. But there are some surprises and there are some sad things that I've been receiving. Anyway, let's do the... Hold on, Sir Dan, where are you? Let's do the first good things. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. And to all my first viewers, hello. And to all my Facebook viewers also, and to my followers also on Facebook. It's been added as every day that God given to me. Thank you so much, each every one of you. And what else? Anyway, guys and gals, good things keep on happening, not only on my channel, also for myself. And you know what? I'm so sorry. I'm being tense and I'm being a little bit nervous. Not at all. Anyway, guys and gals, sorry. Okay, let's be serious. Guys and gals, you know what? From 3 countries that been following me, that been watching my YouTube channel now, and then it turned to be 5, 10, and now I've got a 16 lovely countries now who are supporting me. Thank you so much. Hold on. Sorry that. They are Philippines, of course, number 1. United States, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, India, United Kingdom, Russia, Germany, Canada, Malaysia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, Italy, and Qatar. Oh gosh, guys and girls, so been happy and overwhelmed, grateful. Thank you guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 lovely countries. Once again, guys, I repeat: Philippines, United States, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, India, United Kingdom, Russia, Germany, Canada, Malaysia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, Italy, and Qatar. Thank you so much to my 16 lovely countries for supporting my channel. Guys and girls, I couldn't say that much, but I'm some kind of overwhelmed and being thankful as always. You know what? I don't see any reason to sorry guys, I don't see any reason to give up on this channel. I'm enjoying a lot. I'm not thinking that someday I'm gonna be monetized, because YouTube keep on giving me a copyright claim because of my videos wherein they hear a sounds, but I don't want to recapture it again because it's gonna be blurred. So I want it to make a clear to your eyes. That's why, even though it's a copyright thing, I'm gonna upload it. Sorry, but I hope you keep on enjoying, and my only thing to give for you is a happiness, some some inspirational videos for you to motivate. Anyway, guys and girls, I'm just enjoying, and I hope you like it. Okay, and thank you once again for watching my videos, for my daily uploads, and a million thanks to each every one of you for supporting my channel. Guys and girls, I have lots to offer and I have more news for you, but since I'm some kind of a speechless, you know, and I'm some kind of busy, and I'll be doing some uploads for my Facebook. That's why. And just for you to give surprises, I will not divulge it yet. Sooner or later, and as days goes by, I'm gonna tell you what are those good things that I've been receiving, that have been happening to my life. Thank you so much. But right now, thank you. You know what? I'm gonna meet I'm gonna meet somebody because he is a acquaintance that I've known, and I don't really know who is it, but I'll just keep it, okay? I'll just make some unwind. But guys and gals, before we continue this, I have to say goodbye for all. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Thank you. Sir Dan.